Come test drive the 2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.